Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. It's Frugalista here. I thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are interested in dupes or anything bargain, whatever, especially if you are over 40, over 35, you were born way before the 90s, then welcome to my channel. And if I have described nothing about you in that sentence, then still welcome to my channel. Yes, okay. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, yes, because then you will see when I upload and then you can rush to watch my video and help me in the YouTube algorithm, because YouTube doesn't show my videos to anybody. I mean, I'm not trending. I would never be on the trending page. Alrighty guys, I'm going to talk about fragrance dupes today. I don't talk about fragrance much on my channel, but every now and then, it's funny, the fragrance theme, speaking of YouTube and their algorithm, I'm not showing my videos. Anytime I do a fragrance video, I feel like nobody watches it. But there's always a few of you that will comment and you're like, oh my gosh, I am a fragrance junkie, or I'm addicted to fragrance. Thank you so much. I always want to find out about fragrances, etc. So, you know, then I'm here for you for that. So for the 4 people that are gonna watch this, here you go. No, recently a company reached out to me called Dossier, and they are, frankly, I mean, I said fragrance dupes, but they're basically an affordable fragrance company that you can order from that have inspired scents from some of the popular high-end varieties. And they sent me 3, so I thought what I do is just share with you about them. And if that's something that wows you, then now you know where to get amazing fragrance for $29. Also, something else to know that so not only is it $29, but you're getting quality ingredients from Europe and the world. It's not just synthetics from China. No offense, China, we love you, but yeah. And it's vegan and cruelty-free, so we love that. Especially since the old days, they used to use cat civet in fragrance. Do you know what cat civet is? You're not gonna wanna know. It's from a gland at the back end. So, I mean, unless it's like dogs and they just extract it and then use it, that's fine, whatever. But anytime you're taking something like from a cat. I worked at Nordstrom. I went to basically like a fragrance school. They kind of put you through training. I worked in cosmetics and did every brand. And so, yeah, I learned a lot, more than I wanted. Anyhow, okay. Back to Dossier. So $29, you receive a box like this, and which is great. I know we love packaging. I know we love everything that's beautiful and luxurious, but let's be real, folks. No one's gonna see it. It just goes in a landfill, and then your great grandkids will resent you for it because you ruined the planet. And inside is the fragrance card. This one happens to be Fresh Floral One. They are described in categories: fresh floral, floral, oriental, spicy, woody, etc., etc. Okay, so Fresh Floral One has notes of pomegranate, yuzu, iced accord. I don't know what that is. Middle notes are magnolia, lotus, peony. Base notes are amber, musk, and mahogany. Now, when I read this, I kind of go, you know what? I don't know if I like kind of woody notes, and I'm not really too much on a lot of floral, yet I love all 3 scents they sent me. So this one is inspired by Versace's Bright Crystal. And I think I smelled that once in an Ulta or Sephora. I don't know. I probably passed it by, but you also get inside, and this is what they mean by risk-free. So you get a vial, a spray vial, like the kind of sample you would get if you walked into Nordstrom and asked for a fragrance sample, and it's a little atomizer, and this way you can wear the fragrance for several days. It's quite a few applications, and then you don't even break the seal on the main one. So if you don't like it, you just send it back for a refund. Easy as that. Now this one, okay, so Fresh Floral One, which is Versace's Bright Crystal. You guys, I actually like this. I know that sounds funny. I actually like this. No, I do. It has that balance of floral, and then it kind of warms down to a little bit green and a little bit woodsy, but very pleasant. My second one to share with you guys is Floral One. So this is fragrance Floral One, and it is notes of Granny Smith apple, lemon, and bluebell. Middle notes are bamboo, jasmine, and white rose. Base notes are amber, cedarwood, and musk. Again, don't like rose, and cedarwood can be a little strong in my opinion, but I think that Granny Smith apple and lemon on the top are what make me like this and attract it to me. This is inspired by Dolce & Gabbana, G&G's light blue. Okay, so this one, I'm just gonna smell so good. This one, that Granny Smith apple and lemon on top, makes everything so crisp, and it reminds me of like when I drink a vodka tonic. I hope that sounds okay. Sometimes I get, because there's alcohol in it, but sometimes when I smell a fragrance, I actually kind of get some like cocktail vibes where I feel like I'm tasting like a vodka tonic or a gin and tonic, or like, you know, and I like it. It makes, anyway, especially with lime, makes me think of gin and tonics. Okay, so love this. Like I said again, I'm not a huge floral fan. I don't think I would ever buy the G&G light blue fragrance, but I really like this one. They wear well, they don't smell like a shopping mall. It's nice. So my last one is Oriental One. So this one I knew right away, this was my first choice because I'm like, oh, this has got the warm and the sweet. This one's inspired by the YSL Black Opium. I remember the original Opium. I was a teenager and my mom said that that was too mature of a scent for me to wear. So I didn't wear that one, but the Black Opium I do really like because it's got that vanilla base note. So here it is here, and we've got top notes, mandarin, pear, and pink pepper. Yep, middle notes, jasmine and orange blossom. Base notes, cedarwood, patchouli, and vanilla. So I'm not a patchouli fan, but that's okay because I don't smell it in this. But the vanilla and the pepper, I think, are what really appeal to my olfactory system, because when I smell this fragrance, I just love it. It makes me feel kind of sexy. Like it's warm and sweet, but it's not like saccharine sweet. It doesn't smell like, you know, body spray from a 12-year-old. I think though this one has just a little more punch, a little more edge, sophistication, so that it just doesn't smell too young. But I also think that if you are like 16 and you smell, like, I think this is good, and it doesn't smell like old lady, or it doesn't smell like, ooh, that smells like a 45-year-old divorcee who likes to spend time at the casino. I don't know. I like to make up these personas of random stereotypes I think of. Okay, so that is the Dossier. That's the Dossier on Dossier. Isn't Dossier a whatever? I'll do my vocabulary. I haven't opened these yet. Is that funny? I'm keeping them. I mean, they sent them to me for free. This is not a sponsored video, but thank you so much, Dossier, for letting me try these and letting me share them with my audience. I have links and codes and everything below so that you can find out for yourself what you think. There is a number of fragrance categories, different types to try. So give it a go and see what you think. and let me know. And yeah, so again, I'm gonna wear the floral. I'm gonna just kind of rotate. I'm gonna use these next warm months and weeks of summer, and I'm gonna use my florals, and then as I get into October, out comes the Black Opium Oriental One. Yeah, because, you know, I just like it. And also it's a 1.7 ounce, which is that is the common size for fragrances. And it is not in a glass, like the glass is not amber or dark, so do keep it out of light, and then that will keep the length of your fragrance life for a couple years. If a fragrance still smells good and it's a couple years old, it's not bad. Keep using it. If your fragrance doesn't smell like your fragrance anymore, then it's time to ditch it. And the best thing to do is to keep out of sunlight and extreme heat, temperature, etc., and you're good. Yeah. Alrighty, well, if you have any questions, let me know. Like I said, I'm going to list everything below, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and click on my subscribe button, thumbs up, click the link to Dossier, see what they say, and that's everything. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.